So you thought your business wasn't a good fit for LinkedIn ads? Think again. LinkedIn is not just a platform, it's a vibrant community full of professionals eager to connect, learn, and grow with the help of what your business offers. Finding undiscovered audiences has never been easier through LinkedIn ads, which seamlessly blend into users' feed, offering non-disruptive yet impactful ways to connect with customers. LinkedIn ads for business growth? There are so many reasons. Here are a few. Targeting power. LinkedIn ads allow you to get super specific with your targeting. You can filter by demographics, interests, job titles, company size, and even industry. This ensures that your ad reaches the exact audience most likely to engage with your business. Imagine you're a home service business showing your ads through LinkedIn, targeting job titles and industries to reach property managers, real estate agents, or facility managers who might need services for their clients' properties. Now that's laser focus. Campaign objectives and ad formats. When creating your LinkedIn ads campaign, you can choose your objective. Do you want more website visitors to book a call or make a purchase? Brand awareness to establish yourself as a thought leader? Or lead generation to capture potential clients who might benefit from your services? LinkedIn ads offers various ad formats to suit your goals. Text ads are concise and budget-friendly. Image ads with eye-catching visuals can grab attention. Video ads are a fantastic way to directly showcase a short snippet from your YouTube content, ideally connecting with audience interests. Data and analytics. Transform your marketing strategy, driving engagement and conversion rates. By diving deep into the metrics, you can uncover valuable insights about your target audience, optimize your ad spend, and tailor your content to resonate with professionals across industries. LinkedIn's robust analytics tools offer data to refine your campaigns and achieve measurable results, whether it's click-through rates, impression counts, or demographic information. Landing pages and tracking. Don't forget about landing pages. When someone clicks your ad, make sure they land on a clear, well-designed page that entices them to visit your site. Include a strong call to action like book now or limited time offer. And finally, track your results. LinkedIn ads provides valuable insights on your campaign's performance. See what's working, what's not, and adjust your strategy accordingly. So there you have it. LinkedIn ads can be a game changer for your business. Know that it's more than just advertising. It's about forging connections, sparking conversations, and driving growth in ways you've never imagined. Ready to place LinkedIn ads into your marketing strategy? Your audiences await. If you're interested in learning more about how LinkedIn ads can enhance your current marketing strategy, let us know. And remember to like and subscribe for more digital marketing insights.